so sorry. I forgot to tell you, this might happen a couple of times during the show. And if you hear that happen, that's the magic music. That's when I turn into a wizard and I get a boy to help me out. I am playing the part of a wizard, a guy named Merlin. Who's ever heard of Merlin the Wizard? Raise your hand. Hands down. I first learned about Merlin the Wizard when I was reading a story called The Sword and the Stone. Who's ever heard this story? Raise your hand. Oh, yeah. Now, big kids, if you're in the chapter books, this is a really big chapter book. Doesn't have a lot of pictures, but it talks about a wizard who shows up. And he finds a little boy who's stuck doing all his chores. Hi there, what is your name?
Matthew.
I'm sorry?
Matthew.
Oh, dude, that's the wrong answer. I'm sorry. The correct answer is Arthur. Let's try this one more time. I am Merlin. Hi, little boy, what is your name?
Arthur.
It's Arthur! Arthur, this poor little boy, he's stuck in a town doing all of his chores. His big brother's not helping. The neighbors aren't helping. He's doing them all. So Merlin comes along and he frees Arthur. Do you know what he does? He takes a magic wand. He waves the magic wand. And he turns Arthur into a fish. You are a fish, young man. You have a lesson to learn, so go back to your seat, and I don't want to talk to you until you learn your lesson. Give Arthur a big clap, everybody, for being awesome today. I'm Merlin the Magician. I'm in the story. It's called The Sword and the Stone. There's a little boy. His name is...
Arthur.
It's Arthur. And Merlin turns the little boy into a fish to learn his lesson. Then what happens? Arthur is now turned into a... bird. You're a bird. Yeah, and you have to go back to your seat. Get out of here. Give him a clap, everybody. It is time for me to explain about the little boy who was turned into a fish. And then he was turned into a bird, and then he was sent away to learn some lessons. Because in the story of the sword and the stone, Merlin the magician takes a sword, a magical sword, he shoves it into an anvil and it rests upon a stone. And that magician says, anybody who can lift up this sword will become the king of Camelot. I want to act this story out for you right now, but here's the problem. I don't have a sword. I don't have a stone. All I have is a ladder, this cardboard box. And many people tried to lift that sword. Anybody who walked by, they thought maybe they had the power. Maybe they will be the king. Boys tried it, girls tried it, men tried it, women tried it. You could easily lift the box off of the ladder. Put your hands on the side with fists and lift up that box and show everybody how you, look. 2 hands on the side, just lift it up like that, okay? Put your fist, so put your fist right there on the side and lift up the box. Lift, get over. He couldn't do it even though he was the fiercest man, just like this, okay? That's all you have to do, okay? Can you do that for me? On the side, there, lift it, just lift it. Listen, this is not hard. 2 hands, you lift it, that's all you gotta do, okay? So get up there, go ahead, get up there. Lift with your, get over here. But wait, maybe the peasant girl had the skills, maybe she could do it. Step up right there, there you go. Hands on the sides, hands on the sides, hands on, and she became the queen of Camelot. I don't quite understand what the problem is here. But guess what? That is when a young boy returned, a young boy who had learned his lessons in the story, Arthur. And he put his hands on the side. Well, I just can't